In this video, I will share with you how to activate Desjardins debit card. So if you want to activate your debit card or credit card, follow me in these steps. First step, log in your account with your all information, such your username and password. This is the first step you need to do. After that, guys, access to the website and then follow the activation instruction and then go to your manage card. From the manage card, look for activation instruction and follow this. And you can activate also, guys, your credit card by phone. Call automatically for this call. You have this call number 1800363 and you have this Montreal area, this number. And you can also activate through schedule calls. Just click schedule calls, this option. From schedule calls, click this one, schedule calls here. You have the option here, as soon as possible and at another time in the next 5 days. Just click go one, write your all details such your name and last name, a phone number and reason for call. For example, I want to activate my credit card. This is the reason you want to call, and go here, this option, and write your phone valid number. Just follow simple steps. The first step, guys, just click manage your card and then follow this instruction to activate your card, such your instruction. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.